Hey, what's up, Babydoge coin holders? So what's going on this time? The Babydoge coin, you can see here, my friend, price is pumps up, you can see here, but don't worry if they were fails down from last 24 hours. This is temporary fails. Don't worry, my friend, does not mean you are starting selling, because from last 1 month, absolutely in this all month, my friends, Babydoge coin is completely moving upward and the price is increasing. But from last 7 days, I think the condition of Babydoge coin is very bad. Now you can see here the market cap, fully diluted market cap, volume all is negative. You can see here everything is on the screen, so just only read it out, read it now, my friend. This time they were temporary fails down, but does not mean you are starting selling, my friend. The price is 0. I think at 0.1691 USD dollar. Absolutely, they will completely, the price is increasing. So I hope, my friend, in upcoming time they will get a profit. But this time, as you can see, my friend, the chart result, so the resistance line is, they were fails down from resistance line, and definitely when a coin were fails down from resistance line, so you can see here they will completely convert into red line, and this red line is clearly showing you, my friend, to there in the lost. Yes, my brother, from last 7 days, this is last 24 hour change occurring here, so they were fails down in last 24 hour. But don't worry, my friends, first of all I will again tell you to, after a fails, absolutely every coin will get a profit. So therefore I hope, my friends, so in upcoming time they will completely give you a profit. Don't worry, my friend, if they were fails down. So this is temporary fails. I will give you 100% guarantee in the upcoming time the really huge explosion is coming soon. But for that you will need to be hold. If you are starting holding, then absolutely you will take a chance to get a profit. But if you are starting selling, definitely you will miss the chance of profit. So don't miss this chance. Please take a risk. I will give you 100% guarantee you will earn a lot of money from crypto if you just only follow ABS6 channel. My advice is my opinion. My opinion is for all of you to please hold down and wait for the end of month. And after that, if they were fails down, then 100% sell it, because this coin is completely go to the garbage. But if they will moving upward, then sell. Don't starting selling and wait for the end of month. So thanks for watching. Hold your kindly like video and please subscribe this channel. My opinion is for all of you to hold, and what's your opinion, share it in the comment box.